Here on a window leak detection, we're up 3 floors, so we're going to work a little bit from the roof. Soon, we're going to show you how to detect those window leaks. Owner of the building has hired stucco guys, window guys, roofers. They can't identify. They keep patching and sealing and caulking. They even went to the extreme of adding some sort of a metal to divert the water. But as you can see, this extensive damage, every time it rains, it continues to come out. So we're on the 3rd floor. We're going to go ahead and use our UV smoke. We'll show you how effective that is. Okay, we're getting our UV smoke machine ready to go. The equipment on, we're going to go ahead now and go outside and inspect. As you can see, the smoke starting to come out, so definitely the window that is the cause. Look at that. So it's important for you to, when you do these isolation tests, is to separate the window, the stucco, the roof. You can see how the smoke right there, there's a crack at the stucco, and it's actually coming out right there. What's great about the smoke test is it really identifies all the breaches. As we're performing our window leak detection, we're also determining that there's a breach up here on this parapet wall. You see the smoke coming through here? You can tell that they've tried to bond this with some roofing material here, but you can see the smoke coming through here. So again, we've identified multiple issues: window, stucco, and this parapet wall. All right, guys, there you have it. Hopefully this helped. As always, thanks for watching.